sixer. Brilliant and very tall, 6'8" of him. I've been here 91 times. My middle name is Singh, Dean Singh Jones. Plenty of Indian girlfriends. Aishwarya Rai. Actually, she's calling me now. I've got to go. Yes, darling. Yes. Aishwarya, yes. Informative, brilliant, dynamic, and we will get some kids playing for India soon. The so-called godfathers of world cricket, I hope they do their job. What a wonderful performance. God, she's gorgeous. Love them, good dancing. I miss Mike Whitney in the middle of them though. Oh look, it's just a wonderful flick. It's just one of the great movies of Bollywood and I haven't seen it. Oops.